Welcome to another video, guys. Some of you might incurred this situation where you might be using multiple browsers and using multiple VPN extension for those browsers. Lucky for Windows 10 users, they can find universal VPN apps in the Windows Store. But since Microsoft has fucked up Windows 8.1 and Windows Store here no longer works, there is no such VPN app supported in Windows 8.1. Lucky for us, there is a VPN app called Hi.me VPN, which is in executable file format, aka exe. So I'll link this VPN app in the description. So if you are using multiple apps like me, here I'm using Chrome, I'm using Torch, and I also have Internet Explorer as my default browser. Alright, if you happen to use multiple browsers and want to use a single VPN, just use this Hi.me VPN. This is not a sponsored video whatsoever. Just I wanted you to know there's a simple solution. So launch this Hi.me VPN app. The interface is quite simple. Just click enable. If you're on a free account, just hit continue. Wait for some times. It will just connect to its free server, which has unlimited data access, luckily, but with a reduced speed as a free compromise. Boom. So here is your VPN connection. Just minimize it. Then open any browser of your choice. So the VPN will be now located in this tray icon. Alright, just right click on this Hi.me VPN. You can find multiple settings. You can also find multiple locations. If you're a paid member, you can choose locations right from the system tray. You need not go into some weird looking interface. Alright, simple as that. So I'll just show you an example that this VPN is now working. Alright, I'm launching Google Chrome beta. My system has a terrible RAM, so bear with me here. I'm just running with 2 gigabytes of RAM. Yeah, so sad. Just I'll hit this website which is blocked in India. It is called Tamil Rockers. Now yes, let's wait and see. Boom. As you can see, this website works fine. No browser extensions whatsoever. See, browser extensions are limited in functionality and clumsy when you're using multiple browsers. You need to sync, you need to install multiple VPN and proxies. So this fixes all the problems. Thank you for watching.